This is the last kind of mandatory video for the notes, and we're going to learn how to make a single log and how to evaluate those logs. So first thing, let's make sure we're okay making a single log. We did that in the video before. And the word evaluate means you're going to get like an answer, a numerical answer. So I see a minus sign. That's going to mean I'm going to have a division. So I'll put it together with a log base 4 at the division. 32 divided by 2, and that would be 32 divided by 2. That's where I got that from. So that's log base 4. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Now I can evaluate this because I know that 4 to the second power, because it's like 4 to what power is 16? And I know that 4 to the second power is 16. Oh, sorry, that should be a second power. Now if you didn't like that, you could do log base 10 of 16 divided by log base 4, and sure enough, you would end up with a 2. All right, I'll change that to a different color so you know that that was a different option. All right, second one, put them together. So I see an addition sign. So I know that when I write my single base of 9, I'll have something multiplied together. So it's going to be the 3 multiplied with the other 3, but this is going to be squared. So it's going to be log base 9 of 3 times 9, and 3 times 9 is 27. And I think I just did this problem earlier today. 9 to what power is 27? 3 to the second, 3 to the third. The x drops down. 2x equals 3. X equals 3/2. Now, if you didn't like that, remember or, right here at the spot, or. You could do log base 10 of 27 divided by log base 10 of 9. Change that to a different color so you know that that is a different option. And you would end up getting 1.5, which is the same answer. All right, time for the last problem. I had to redo this problem because I didn't see that that had a base of 8 and everything else had a base of 3. Oof. Okay, so here's my log with a base of 3. This 1/2 is going to be an exponent on the 100, and it really just means square root. So I'm going to do square root of 100. This minus sign means division. So I'm going to put that 27. See that 27? It's going to be divided on the bottom. All right, so I'm going to have log base 3. I'll have log base 3 of 10 divided by 27. And over here, I'm going to have, let's see. An addition sign means, well, it's a whole separate log, so I can't put it together. So this log base 8 is just going to have the cube root of 64, which is 4. So plus log base 8 of 64, like that. Sorry. So the cube root of 64. Cube root comes from this 1/3 we learned. So that's a 4. And then because I don't have a fancy calculator, I'm going to have to do change of base. So this one's going to have to be 10 over 27 base 10 on the top, 3 on the bottom, 4 on the top. Those can be written. 8 on that one. I could do that. You could have a common base on the second one, but I'm just going to use I'm just going to use my calculator. Log. So just because I flew through that, because I had to do this video now my 3rd time. This 1/2 is an exponent on this 100, so it's a square root. This is a division sign. This 27 just plops on the bottom. This 1/3 is a cube root on the 64, which is a 4. The square root of 100 is 10. And so now I'm using my calculator. So log 10 over 27 on the top, changing it to a base of 10 because I don't have a fancy calculator, divided by log of 3, plus log of 4 divided by log of 8. And I end up with kind of a crazy answer here, don't I? Equals negative 0.24. And I didn't say anything about rounding, so that is good enough. That's kind of a crazy answer, but everything was done well. It was kind of sneaky right here, to be honest with you. I had to read through the video. I totally forgot to check my bases. This one had to have its own little thing because it had a base of 8, so it was kind of annoying, but we did it. And that's the end. So evaluate means to get an answer at the end.